Hey, thanks for tuning in, man. I'm gonna show you how to got the EZGO PDS here, 36 volts. It runs, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm just gonna show you a couple of things to check if your car does not run. Make sure you got it run, key on. First thing you want to check, black lead on the main negative, red lead. You should get battery voltage. The black lead on main negative, red lead in the toe switch plug. You should get battery voltage on all 4 posts. Yeah, battery voltage on all 4 posts. The next thing you want to do is down here you got a green wire, red, black, and white. That's your pedal switch. And your it's in the floorboard. The red wire is going to be your hot out the controller. And the green wire is going to be voltage back from the floorboard. So when you hit the gas, you'll see voltage come back from the green wire. Now your white wire feeds the its. You should get 14 volts with the key on. The black wire, you should get 2.9 at full pedal. I'm not going to show you that because the car runs. And I don't have it on jack stands. Also, you got your yellow wire. Your white wire here. Let's see here. Your white wire is out voltage, is output from the controller to the key switch. The white and yellow wire is return. Now I'm gonna turn the key off, and you'll see voltage die. That's the white and yellow wire is a return from the key switch. And the yellow wire is the output from the controller to the solenoid. And this is the output from the controller to the solenoid. The white and yellow wire is the input from the key switch to the controller. And that's the out. The solid white is the output from the controller to the key switch. And your 2 red wires under the bottom are what feed the logic side of the controller. So always make sure, the main thing, make sure you got boards in them 2 always. And your forward and reverse gray is your output to the forward and reverse switch. So you got battery voltage. And your orange will be your return from the reverse switch to the controller. Reverse, neutral, reverse. See voltage going up. And your green wire will be forward. Put it in forward. And you'll see voltage go in forward. It shows voltage. 37 volt, whichever battery voltage you have. Alright. Then way to test your solenoid when you hit the gas. You have voltage off the solenoid. All right, man, I just showed you a couple things of how to troubleshoot the wiring diagram. The wire schematic. You got any problems, man, shoot me a text and I'll try to answer.